Let's see, we're on. Okay, I want to make this video tutorial for people who are having ghost touching issues with the touchscreen on a 2017 Mazda 6 Grand Touring. That's mine over there. So I had this issue. I tried looking it up online, and there's not a single video that goes over it. There's two separate ones. One that goes over how to disable the touchscreen, which I'm going to show you right here. It's the same on a 2014 as it is on a 2017. The other, how to take out the display and all that. I'm going to link those videos in the description so you can take a look at them. Just combine them together and have a bit of a cold I'm getting over. Combine them together, and you can do the same thing on the 2017. Mazda knows about the issue, but if it's out of warranty, they will not fix it. It costs close to $1,000. So on the 2017, much like on the video with the 2014, here's this ribbon you take out. So you just take that out and disable the touchscreen. You'll still have all the functionality of it. Just can't use it, which I never used to begin with. So it's not a big deal for me. And then, you know, take all this crap apart. Make sure you save the screws. Put everything back together. Pretty straightforward. There's a couple of times where you feel like you're going to break something. You're not. I know this coming apart, I thought I was going to break it, but I didn't. It's really in there. So I just wanted to throw out a quick video out there. So, I'm going to link both those videos. So if you have issues, just look at those, combine the steps, and you'll be okay. Or you can pay $1,000 at the dealership. I'm not you. So yeah,